My name is Davy, and I'm a certified personal trainer here at Best Buy. Today, I'll be reviewing and talking about the Therabody Theragun Pro Plus and discussing its science-based modules, its attachments and speeds, and its additional features. I think this is the best Theragun model yet. It combines multiple modules such as percussive therapy, heat therapy, breathwork, and LED light therapy. This is the very first Theragun model where all these features have been combined into a handheld device. The Pro Plus model has a standard ball attachment, the dampener attachment, the vibrational attachment, the wedge, the micro point, and the thumb attachment. I really like the vibrational attachment. Being a personal trainer, I can see how effective it can be for a client's peak performance and for their recovery time. It also has many different speeds to make it an even more personalized experience for your body. It has been scientifically proven to improve peak performance and reduce soreness time in a matter of minutes and even seconds. It truly is a game-changing device that'll have you relying on it daily. Some key additional features include access to the therapy content, USB-C charging, improved battery life, and it has the quietest motor out of all the Theragun Pro models. The Therabody Theragun Pro Plus has been improved to keep assisting your body pains and to help you reach peak performance. Without a doubt, it'll be one of our hottest models with the high quality modules and features. Again, my name is Davy. If you would like more information about this product, feel free to click the link here down below to connect with an expert like me. Thanks, and don't forget to stretch.